In this video, we're going to combine together the rodeo on spinning pole, the inside knee grip, and I have a little extra for you guys. This is the third part of the 5th series. This is the fun part where we combine together every move we've learned so far in this series. I added also a little extra exotic floor move for you guys. So let's take a look at the whole sequence. Let's work the whole combo using the rodeo in part 1 and the knee grip of the part 2. So, and up, pivot leg, rodeo. I'm landing on my outside leg, what creates a window. And now I can thread my leg through the window using my knee grip on the pole, readjust my top hand, and I can use my spin. When I come down, I'm going to come down on my outside leg in front of the pole, then walk my inside hand in front, leg in front, and I can just turn. Okay, that's the new little extra move, guys. I can just turn so my shoulder is on the pole. The other hand's going to draw a big circle to catch the pole. I'm going to show you from another angle. My other hand is going to draw a big circle to catch the pole. This way, I'm holding. This one is ready on top. I can open my legs, externally rotate my hips so that my toes are pointing outside. And now I'm going to come to the tip of my toes and I'm going to press with my ankle out and get my knees in the same direction than my big toe. Once you're here, you just want, like if you were a book, you know, you take your hand and you close the book. Here you go. I call it bad girl, good girl. Let's try from the other side, just for fun. Rodeo. Tread your leg onto the pole, all the way up, walking myself out using my outside leg first, turning, catching the pole, opening the legs, and push off. Okay, let's try with the other version of the rodeo, the aerial one. And all the way up. Give it a good spin. Come down, thread your leg through, out, and around. And now, just a little variation of that same bad girl, good girl move. I'm gonna, once again, open my leg, drop, push out with my ankle, put all my weight onto this leg. I can recatch the pole if I want. And now, I can just slide all the way to the floor. And I can keep going with floor move. You can use it both ways. Either you stay up high and you keep going with your pole move, or you can take it to the floor. One last time together. We're going to use the other side. Up, aerial, rodeo. Come down, tread through, take it around into a nice spin, Open. So I'm going to go to the floor again to show you on the other side, all the way to the floor. Here you go. This is the whole combo that you can use anytime you want.